Hello friends, here on this video here you can see this is my CPU and here is my monitor. And if you don't know how to fix and start your monitor and CPU on your home, if you want to fix by yourself your CPU and monitor, then friends you have to check your wire. Here is my wire, CPU wire. Okay, if you got this one, you have to insert here. You have to insert through here CPU and there mainly in the power cable under the switch. Okay, so now let's insert it here. I just zoom in so that you can look at it closely. Here it had fixed already, so now let's bring another wire here, and here on the back side you have to connect this monitor cable. Okay, wire cable here you have to connect onto the monitor. And even on for the monitor also friends, you are getting this switch, I mean this power cable. Okay friends, do not forget to insert your BGA cable. In place of this BGA cable you can insert this HDMI. Okay, to this two is for the display port, so you can insert any of them. So here's my display port and I'm going to insert right now under this CPU. Before we insert under the monitor, but now this display port here under the CPU. Okay, you have to fix it like this, like how I fix. Friends, now let's insert this mouse and keyboard. For the mouse and keyboard you have to insert under the CPU. Okay, this is keyboard and here's the mouse. Okay, so complete, and here is the to turn on. But friends, do not forget to switch on. Even for the mic also, if you want to insert here, the first option is for the mic, and for the to connect speaker or headphone, then here you can connect through this. Okay, here is the to turn on power. So let's turn on the light. Now it's turned on, so you too you can fix by yourself like this your CPU and monitor, you can say computer, or how you can set up also. You can watch my videos. Okay friends, here it says Windows. Friends, you are confused here where to click and where not to click. Here on the down you are going to find enter, choose or start, or you have to click only start Windows normally under the keyboard. Here's my keyboard, let's click on enter. And now let's check our computer. Here it's starting Windows. Okay, so here how I just fix it and just start up my monitor, or you can say computer. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.